Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how to change your notification sound in Snapchat app. For this just press down your Snapchat app, then click on this app info. After that go to manage notifications. Now go to messaging Synapse, click on this, and as you can see the ringtone option is here. Click on this. Now choose your desired sound for notification. If you want to use custom notification, you can also select it from here. Just click on this and the option for custom ringtone will be appear. That's it guys. If this video help you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.